Welcome to today's video on luxury living room furniture ideas. If you're looking to elevate your living room space with high-end, designer pieces, you're in the right place. Let's explore how you can transform your living area into a luxurious haven with the perfect blend of style, comfort, and sophistication. Choosing statement sofas. A luxurious living room often starts with a statement sofa. Look for plush materials like velvet, leather, or suede. Opt for neutral tones such as ivory, charcoal, or deep navy for an elegant base, and consider bold colors like emerald green or royal blue to make the sofa the centerpiece. Curved shapes or modular sofas can add a modern touch while maintaining the opulent feel. Accent chairs. For elegance, accent chairs are a fantastic way to add a sophisticated flair to your living room. Think of rich materials like tufted velvet or Italian leather. Metallic or marble accents on the chair legs or frames can bring a subtle glam factor. Choose chairs with unique designs such as wingback styles or sculpted forms to make a luxury statement. Designer coffee tables. Next up is the coffee table, a must-have focal point in any living room. A luxury coffee table is more than just functional, it's an art piece. Consider materials like marble, tempered glass, or polished wood with gold or brass accents. Unique shapes, such as oval or asymmetrical designs, can add a contemporary edge. A beautifully designed coffee table will effortlessly anchor the space. Luxe lighting options. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the luxurious vibe. Look for elegant chandeliers, oversized pendant lights, or sleek floor lamps to brighten up the space. Crystal chandeliers, in particular, offer a timeless opulence, while modern metallic designs provide a more contemporary luxury feel. Stylish side tables. Don't overlook side tables, as they're perfect for adding an extra touch of class. Choose side tables with reflective surfaces like mirrored tops or metallic finishes. Marble-topped side tables or ones with intricate inlay patterns can make a stunning impact. They should complement the larger pieces of furniture and subtly contribute to the room's overall luxury. High-end rugs and fabrics. No luxury living room is complete without the right textiles. A plush area rug made from wool, silk, or hand-woven materials can elevate the entire room. Look for rugs with intricate patterns, rich colors, or subtle geometric designs. Don't forget to layer in luxurious fabrics like velvet throw pillows, cashmere blankets, and silk drapes for a lavish yet cozy ambience. Luxury living room furniture is all about quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. By carefully selecting statement pieces, adding elegant accents, and incorporating rich textiles, you can create a living room that exudes opulence and comfort. Don't be afraid to mix classic designs with modern elements for a personalized touch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration.